Hi, my name is Johan and I am a product manager at Frico. Today we're going to talk about our new water connection kits we have developed. The best thing about the water connection kit is that you save time when purchasing. You can buy everything in one place. When we get to the installation, it becomes much easier and more flexible as all parts come in one kit. We have developed water connection kits for 3 of our product groups: air curtains, fan heaters and ceiling convectors. They are available in 2 different hose lengths and adapted to different connections. Now Frico can offer everything: products, controls, valve systems, suspension kits, and now also water connection kits.
Hi there, my name is Steve and I work as item coordinator at Frico. And I have a background as a plumber. And now we will start with the installation of our air curtain Pamir. Let's see what is included in one of our valve systems and one of our water connection kits. In our case here, we have illustrated the installation with 22mm copper pipes, and to show where the interface goes between the products that Frico sells and an installation, we need, in this case, to buy 2 straight 22mm couplings. We have unpacked our valve system, in this case a VPFC20, which we will use when we show the installation of the air curtain. This package includes a shut-off valve, a pressure-independent valve, 2 transition couplings, which are for the pressure-independent valve, and an actuator. We have unpacked our water connection kit number 08. This kit includes the following items. We have 2 DN 21-meter long hoses. We have a number of hexagon nipples. And in our case, with the air curtain we will install today, we need to use 2 DN 20 hexagon nipples. The other hexagon nipples we will not need to use, as we have a DN 20 valve system. Now we have unpacked our valve system and our water connection kit, and now I will start preparing all this for installation. We start by assembling the shut-off valve on the supply line, and then we mount the hose on the supply line of the air curtain. Don't forget the gasket. And then we assemble the hose to the shut-off valve, and then we proceed to assemble the pressure-independent valve on the return line, and we mount that hose on the air curtain and on the valve. Don't forget the gasket there either. And the last thing we do is to put the actuator in place, and then we're done with our part. Finally, don't forget to insulate the pipes. And now we continue with the installation of our combined fan heater, fan cooler prism. Now we have unpacked our valve system, VPTK20NC, which is for our prism. The package includes a shut-off valve, a pressure-independent valve, 2 transition couplings for the pressure-independent valve, and an actuator. Let's see what's included in our water connection kit number 01. We have 2 DN20 hoses of 1 meter. We have 2 22mm internal liners. We have 2 22mm half connections. We have a number of hexagon nipples. 2 DN20 airs should always be used. In our case, since we have a DN20 valve system, we will use 2 more hexagon nipples DN20. These 4 hexagon nipples do not match our valve system, so we don't need to use them. We have unpacked our valve system and our water connection kit. Now I'm going to take them and prepare them for installation. This installation is prepared for both heating and cooling. I start by assembling the pressure-independent valve on the return line, as it is a little closer to the wall. Then we mount the shut-off valve on the supply line. I continue with the assembly of the internal liners, which is very important to use because the pipes are soft. Then we mount the coupling that is made for this purpose. It was the one shown during unpacking, which consists of an internal liner, a half connection, and a hexagon nipple. We proceed to assemble the hose. Don't forget to put in the gasket. I start by fitting the hose on the return line. Then we continue with the hose on the supply line. Assemble the actuator, and then we are done with our installation. But don't forget to install insulation on the heating side and on the cooling side. As a plumber, I appreciate the water connection kits from Frico. The installation is easier, it goes faster, because everything comes in one kit.